Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can create folder for bookmarks in Google Chrome browser. To create folder, right click on Bookmarks bar and click on Add Folder. Here you can rename the folder and click Save. To create bookmarks for websites, open the website for which you want to create a bookmark. Then click on Log and drag it to Bookmarks bar. And if you want to remove or edit text, right click on it and click Edit. And to add bookmarks into your folder, just click on them and drag them into the folder. That's how we can create a folder for bookmarks in Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching.